Shopify free trial. How to get the best Shopify free trial in 2024. This tutorial will guide you through the process of claiming a free trial on Shopify, an essential platform for starting your e-commerce business. By following these steps, you can set up your online store without any initial investment and explore the features Shopify offers. So all you have to do is click the link in the description so that it will direct you to the website of Shopify. As you can see, I am already on the website after I click the link. As you can see, you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month on select plans by signing up your email address here. You just have to put your email address in the message box. And it's up to you which email you want to use, like Gmail or Yahoo Mail. After that, just click the Start Free Trial button to proceed for 3 months of Shopify. If there are credentials you have to fill out, just fill them out to start your 3-month trial. You have successfully claimed your Shopify free trial and set up your online store. Remember to regularly update your products and explore marketing options to attract more customers. Take advantage of the trial period to familiarize yourself with the platform and make any necessary adjustments before committing to a paid plan. Happy selling! This link should be in the description.